here, Dr. Sundar Pandian sir, to review our meeting. Thank you very much sir for coming. And also Ms. Vandana, our venture capitalist. Thank you Ms. Vandana for here today. And ladies and gentlemen, let's begin the meeting. Secretary, you can proceed with the minutes.
Minutes of the previous meeting. Here is the reading of the minutes from last meeting, October 10, 2021. News planning of the metrics loop was called to order at 10 a.m. following the reading of the minutes from September meeting, were read and approved. With regard to the assign made by the chairman of launching metrics loop in India. In August meeting, CMO Mr. Ajit presented the marketing analysis of metrics loop and its SWOT analysis. CFO Mr. Afnan presented the investment planning. Following that, head of technical Mr. Akash presented about the technical details of our loop. Investors agreed to cope up with our target fund. The next meeting was scheduled for December 16, 2021. The meeting was adjourned 11:30 p.m. Okay. Are there any correction to the minutes from the last month?
No.
If not, is there anyone approving the minutes?
I'm also reading it.
Okay, respected members. The aim of our meeting is planning to launch our metrics loop in India. We have successfully implemented our loop in UK, UAE and California. So now we have planned to set up our metrics loop connectivity in India, in Maharashtra between Pune and Mumbai. CFO, please continue.
Good evening everyone. So we have our prestigious investors here. Thank you for being here. So our total investment is estimated to 80,000 crores, and our government is already going to invest the 25,000 crores to our company. That's a blessing for us, and we also need to find out other investors. So I'm going to present in the financial analysis. Me and our team hardly worked for the allocation of the department. We are coordinating to each department how much money they need and others. So I'm going to present it. So first we need a good infrastructure. For that we are allocating 500 crores for building, and we need land leasing is 2,000 crores. Raw materials 12,000 crores. Importing cost is estimated to 15 crores, and transportation cost is estimated for 415 crores. And we are taking finance reserve as 10,000 crores, and operation and logistics supply chain management we are taking it to 18,000 and 100,000 crores. And we need a huge machinery, so we are going to take machinery as 10,000 crores. And we are also providing technical department with 1,800 crores, and marketing department 500, HR department 450. And we are also this is a huge risk program, so we are also reserving emergency reserve as 8,000 crores, and maintenance as 400 crores. This is our analyzing of estimated analyzing of allocation of fund in each department. And thank you.
We talk about our technical side of this company. It's a matrix loop, and it's not a new thing. The loop in a hyperloop. The Virgin company first made a hyperloop in 2016, and it has a speed of 700 meter per hour. And now Tesla Group also newly made an hyperloop, and it's 760 meter per hour. But we have an upgraded version, and our speed is going to be 800 meter per hour, and it's a matrix loop. And the capsule is made of 36 meter long and 11 feet in diameter, and it is going to made with vibranium metal. And this metal is a carbon fiber which is 8 times stronger than aluminum and 10 times stronger than steel. It is temperature resistant and stability, integrity and instantly. And it also have augmented windows, which would allow passenger to look out. It is made by another partnership company which is called Reflected. And the augmented window utilize head tracking technology to capture passenger movement and create the sensation of looking out of the real window. they will get an opportunity to choose their own window content, including real world scenery and live stream media, etc. And if we say about the safety, it is important for the passengers. And for safety measures, we have added the fire extinguisher pipes inside, there will be no problem in any magnet, because when magnet will be connected, the capsule will rise and it will move. If anything happens inside the tunnel, if the magnet got anything stopped or anything happened to the capsule, it will automatically connect to electricity and it will start moving. Thank you.
Production head, you can proceed.
Good afternoon, Mohammed present here. Yeah, I'm very happy to this occasion where India is going to be more hygienic and more developed country in this world. And here a matrix loop is going to be introduced in Pune to Mumbai locations, which has been 148 kilometers. And as a technical team had been told that our maximum speed will be limited to 800 kilometers per hour. So we had an opinion, we had a tender with government for lands which had been produced or which had been provided at the seashores for 99 years lease. We had been thankful for the government to having our productions, and the raw materials and machineries are being imported from California to, as we have a branch there, and the production will be more effective to implement here. And we are having also planned to hire people here itself by unskilled laborers through tenders for production purposes, and we are making the production full and fully automatic, where we could see everything manipulated, and we are going to reduce the cost by introducing more eco-friendly systems where solar panels have been kept upside, where we could reduce the wires and all in the production units, and there is a flow and the magnetic field which no other technical faults will be held on that specific time, and the vacuum pumps have been transparent, where we could reduce the cost on that, and every people could be attracted while seeing the seashores. We could this is more attractive to businessmen, so all commercial persons and tourist persons also. And we had planned for four loops machineries which could be travelled at a similar time. The travelling speed must be could be calculated for 5 minutes, and it is most faster than planes also. And approximately I need the period to complete it for 3 years. Now I hand over to Richard.
While talking about the HR, we all know that we are going for a big project, so we need more human resources for starting up such a for startup. And the production head already mentioned that he need a period of 3 years. So we are planning to recruit and select people like engineers, technicians and architects on the basis of contract up to the completion of our project. And the employee training programs will be given by the senior experienced workers who are working under us in UK, UAE and California. And already I mentioned that we need more human resources, like we are also planning to recruit or select people for internship from like IITs and giving stipend to them, and also providing insurance and PF for the workers who are serving under us. And this is the HR plan we are planning.
Okay, Mr. Rashid, what about the operations and logistics?
Good evening, all present over here. So we are planning to go for the higher loop manufacturing. So I'm heading over here the operations department. So what I would like to say that I need approximately a figure of 18,000 crores for the manufacturing raw material, purchasing of raw materials, and manufacturing of some of the product lines. So I need 80,000 crores for the finance department. Please note it down. So we are already planned. We already doing our businesses over UK, UAE, and California. So this is our first project in India. We are going to be planning soon. So as the production manager said that we need 3 years to be completed this project. So we are planning to import the raw materials from the European countries as soon as possible. With your note, please note it. So this is a great project to our company to introduce such an investment plan in India actually. So for in the first case we are going to be planning Mumbai and Pune transportation. I think it's a great achievement to our company and it's a service to the Indian markets also. Thank you.
Mr. Rajan.
Good evening, all present here. As we are the first mover in the Indian land introducing Hyperloop, we are focusing on both business people and ordinary people like middle class, tourism of course. It can be done in less expenditure and minimum infrastructure maintenance. Creation of Hyperloop new network requires less maintenance also. It has very tolerance for earthquakes and natural calamities when compared to other systems like fast track or trains like metro. Emphasize its solar power for energy consumption, Hyperloop transmission and technology. Thanks.
Anybody have any suggestions?
I have a suggestion. As a finance minister, a finance manager has been allocated land leases and the raw materials which have been imported from California and other states. So we need an higher amount for productions as we are shortening our period to 3 years. It's an higher time, lesser time when compared to other buildings of even a bridge or a flyover could have been built for 5 to 6 years for more infrastructures to be quality and premium things. So I need some more budgets to be implemented to productions department.
What do you think about this?
I think we have, it's a necessary thing, I think, we have emergency and other financial reserves, so we can manage it. We can manage it.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, I have a question to finance manager. From when onwards you are going to prepay the money?
So ma'am, we are actually we are giving a 2.5% of interest for your investment, and I think after implementing after starting the full our operation fully starting, we can repay your money within 2 to 3 years with interest.
Okay, thank you.
So we have strong finance, right?
Yes.
Strong finance, yes. Mr. Akash, the fund is sufficient for it to do the technical works.
Yes.
What about the production?
Yeah, I had already told to them as we are going towards more advanced manner. So we need some more amount to be implemented. So the cost may be varied from day to day.
Yes.
Because more competitors have been launched or have been there in world. So we need some more money to be implemented. This is not a fixed amount. I may be asking for amounts also. So please do me in need if there is any applications.
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank Ms. Vandana to invest our company. Thank you, ma'am. And I think the fund is sufficient and also I think the fund is sufficient, no other problems. So I think we can proceed with this project. If you don't have any objections, please approve it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask you this question to the Ms. Sneha Chahar? So we are planning to import the raw materials as soon as possible. So I need some more labors as soon as possible. I'm noting to this as a reference. It is requested you to make the necessary steps.
Yeah, already the recruitment process is going on. If it is very urgent, we can call upon our existing laborers from other countries, and that will be helpful.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
No other problems. So we can approve.
So we also need some more manpower into the finance department. Please do the needful.
Yeah, sure. I'll consider.
I have also a doubt.
Yes.
What kind of man resources would you give me for production department?
Also, I would like to suggest or giving some opportunity to the newcomers also. And first of all like engineers, mechanics, what you need, I'm able to provide. Like also experienced and more trainees.
Okay. So I need full and fully based on skillful labels, as we are going to launch a product which is technologically improved. So we are going to implement more features in that loops. So I need more technical minds to be involved in this manufacturing.
Okay, sure. Our recruitment is going on. Okay, I will select on the website your criteria.
Thank you.
I think we can proceed with this project, right? Sure.
Yeah,
And please approve. Thank you. Thank you everybody for your cooperation. And next meeting will be held on 16th January 2021. So, do you have any?
Anyway, that's a role given to me, so it's okay for me, no problem. I'm just an observer here. And I've seen the project, good initiatives from all of you, especially the chairman, starting with. So humble chairman you all have, so lucky people. Right? This company is so lucky to have a chairman like Ms. Megha, right? And all other people are competent people you have. That's a great thing, right? It's an asset for your company, right? And yeah, it's good. Keep going, all of you. And our best wishes.
Thank you so much.
is not